I haven't worn false lashes in a hot minute and I have forgotten how heavy it is. Hi guys! So today I decided to film this soft glam look. I was actually inspired by Sarah Chong. She's actually one of my favorite YouTubers as of the moment. So I decided to recreate her look. Not actually recreate, but I tried my best. I tried looking up what soft glam actually is and I found out that it's a more diffuse makeup look that uses more natural tones to do the makeup. And I tried to incorporate that into my look today. I hope you guys like it and let's get on with the video. So to start off, I'm gonna be using this primer. It's by Banila Co. It's similar to the Benefit Professional one, so it fills in all your pores and it makes you look matte. So I'm just gonna put this all over my face. So after I prime my face, I'm gonna be using foundation. I'm gonna be using this one by Maybelline. It's their Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. I absolutely love this one. I know it's a drugstore brand, but it makes my skin look so good. And I'm gonna be using this fake beauty blender. I actually went to study abroad last year, and one of the things that I forgot to bring was a beauty blender. So I went to Primark in Dijon and I got this one, and it's actually really good for its price. So I'm just gonna be putting a bit on my... oh, that's a lot, but I'm gonna be using this much or maybe even less, and I'm gonna be blending it with my beauty blender. Don't forget to bring it down to your neck so that the rest of your body matches your foundation. So after I'm done with my foundation, I'm gonna be using my concealer. I'm still using this one for my everyday makeup tutorial. It's just the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I have this weird pimple right here. It just grew today. Okay, so I'm gonna be covering my dark circle as well as this one and some scars that I might have around my forehead. So after I have covered my entire face, I'm gonna be going in with this Huda Beauty contour and bronzer cream. I only use this on days that I really want a more defined contour, so this is one of those days. So I'm just gonna go in with a light hand and carve out my cheekbones as well as my jawline. I'm gonna be blending it out more with this beauty blender. I'm also going to be placing a bit of the contour shade on my lower lip so that it gives the appearance of a more poutier lower lip. Okay, so after setting that cream contour in, I'm going to be going in with this Fenty Beauty Butter Pro Filter Powder. I'm just going to be baking under my eyes and on the sides of my cheek right before I contour with my powder. So I'm gonna be baking under my eyes on this T-zone area right here and here. So for my powder contour, I'm gonna be using this small fluffy brush. I usually use the fluffier brush, but since I'm going for a more defined contour, I'm gonna be using this tinier one so it gives more precision. I'm still gonna be using the Hoola Caramel one. So now I'm gonna be brushing off this bake. As you can see, because of the bake, it gives me the illusion of a much higher cheekbone as well as a more defined cheek. Okay, so for this look, I'm gonna be going in with a bit of blush. I just got this in the mail today. I ordered the Sunnies Face Air Blush in Moon. I really love this formula. Even though I already put on powder, I'm gonna place this cream blush all over it. I'm just gonna be using a bit because it's quite pigmented. It's also this, I don't know how to describe this color, it's more of a reddish tint. So I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows real quick. I'm still using this Anastasia brow definer in the shade Ebony. Also, if you notice, my eyebrows are quite wild. I decided not to fix them until this quarantine ends, as no one is gonna see them except me and those of you who's watching this video. But I wanted to give them an opportunity to grow out, so please bear with it. Okay, so for this soft glam look, I wanted to go a bit neutral. I wanted to go with warmer brown shades. So I'm gonna be using my James Charles palette. It's the mini one. So I'm gonna be using this shade over here. I'm not sure what it's called. I lost the clear sheet that says all the names on it, but I'm just gonna be putting it all over my eye. I'm going to be dragging the color up towards my eyebrow so it has that foxy eye look. So I zoom you guys a bit closer so you can see. So I'm going to be using this pinky shade now, and I'm going to be putting it all over the center of my eye. So after that, I'm going to be going in with my bronzer shade. Oh, also, I painted my nails a while ago. I just got my sunnies spray paint a while ago and it looks so cute. I'm obsessed. But I'm gonna be going in with this hoola caramel shade again, and I'm gonna be using a smaller brush. I'm gonna be focusing on the sides of my eyes for this. So I'm gonna place it here and I'm gonna bring it out a bit. Since it is a soft glam, I'm gonna be trying to diffuse the colors a bit more so it looks more softer. So I'm gonna be taking a angled brush and I'm gonna be drawing a soft liner using eyeshadow. I'm just gonna be taking a dark shadow like this one. And I'm gonna be drawing on a cat eye as well as bringing it down to my lower lash line. I also added a bit of bake because the eyeshadow residue was falling onto my cheek, so I just finished with a soft liner. I'm gonna go in with a liquid liner. I'm using this one by Kat Von D. It's her tattoo liner and I think it's in Trooper Black. I'm gonna be going over it, but I'm going to draw a thinner line than I did with the eyeshadow. So I wasn't planning on extending my inner corner, but I've been doing that a lot lately, so I decided to do it for this look as well. So since it is quarantine, I don't have any good lashes with me right now, so I'm just gonna be using these cheap ones just so that this look can have false lashes. So I'm just gonna be popping this on. I'm gonna be lifting up the sides a bit more so it gives the illusion of a elongated eye look. So now that I'm done with my eyelashes, I'm gonna be using this eye pencil to draw on my waterline. It's a champagne-y color. It won't focus, but I'm just gonna put it on my lash line. Also, using my liquid liner, I also like to draw little lower lashes. As you can see, I have none, so I like to draw on little dots at the bottom to give the illusion that I have a fuller lower lash line. So I wanted to do a little close-up of my eyes since I didn't do it before. So here's the finished eye look. It's very elongated and feline. I added in the extended inner corner look because I really like how it looks recently. So yeah, since I want to keep this look quite matte, I'm just going to be adding this Sunnies Face cream highlighter on my cupid's bow as well as my brow bone. So for my last step, which I'm very excited about, I'm gonna be using this Sunnies Face Fluff Matte. I just got it in the mail as well today. It's in their shade Brunette. I tried it on this morning and it looks really good, so I wanted to do a makeup look with it. So it's just this deep orangey nude color, and I think it will go really well with this eye look. So I'm just gonna be putting it on. Do you see how that lip color looks? It's so good. This is gonna be my favorite color, lip color.